For the best price, click the link in the description. But have you been stuck with a mediocre streaming experience on your TV? Therefore, I'm here to give you the lowdown on the Amazon Fire TV Stick Review 2026, and it's not what you'd expect. Are you tired of dealing with complex setup processes or struggling to find the perfect device that meets all your streaming needs? But here's what surprised me about the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Its simplicity is both a blessing and a curse. Therefore, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details and explore if this tiny powerhouse is worth the hype. First off, the Amazon Fire TV Stick is an ultra-compact device that weighs in at just 42 g, making it incredibly portable and perfect for carrying around to different rooms or even traveling with. But what truly sets it apart from its competitors is its ability to seamlessly integrate with your existing Alexa setup, granting you voice control over your entire streaming experience. Therefore, if you're already invested in the Amazon ecosystem, this might be a no-brainer. Let's talk about performance. The Fire TV Stick boasts a quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, which is more than enough to handle even the most demanding streaming tasks. But what really caught my attention was its ability to stream content at up to 1080p resolution, making it perfect for those who want an immersive viewing experience without breaking the bank. Therefore, if you're on a budget but still want high-quality visuals, this might be your best bet. Now, let's talk about some of the more technical aspects. The Fire TV Stick runs on Android 11, giving you access to a wide range of apps and games through the Amazon App Store. But what I found particularly impressive was its ability to support Dolby Vision and HDR10+, ensuring that your content looks better than ever before. Therefore, if you're an avid movie buff or gamer, this might be a major selling point for you. One thing to keep in mind is that the Fire TV Stick doesn't come with any storage out of the box, but don't worry, it's super easy to set up and connect your external hard drive or stick. But what I found interesting was its ability to support up to 2 TB of external storage, giving you ample room for all your favorite movies, TV shows, and games. But is the Amazon Fire TV Stick truly worth the hype? Therefore, let's weigh the pros and cons. On one hand, it's incredibly easy to set up, integrates seamlessly with Alexa, and offers impressive performance and streaming capabilities. On the other hand, its lack of storage and limited app selection might be a turn-off for some users. So what's my verdict? Therefore, I'd say that the Amazon Fire TV Stick is an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free streaming experience without breaking the bank. But if you're looking for more advanced features or a wider range of apps, you might want to consider other options. For the best price on this amazing device, click the link in the description and get ready to revolutionize your home entertainment setup.